Alright, we're going to demonstrate the Roomba muffler using this remote right here. See how quiet it is? Let's see what the dog thinks of that. Well, that didn't last long. Awesome. Ready?
You had not.
And see how quiet it is?